What's up? So I couldn't sleep last night for whatever reason. I was up till like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and one of the tricks that I used when I was a kid to fall asleep faster was to count to 100 or count to 1,000. And I know a lot of people like to use the term count sheep. Count sheep. So I figured, why not find a way to use PowerShell to help me do that? And I figured out a way. I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. So first we need some sheep, right, to count. So let's make a sheep variable, and we're going to assign it 100 sheep. So in PowerShell, if you want to assign sequential numbers, what you can do is put two dots in between them, and that will expand to 100. So if I were to do 50 dot dot 100, it would contain 50 to 100. But in this case, I want 100 sheep. So 1 dot dot 100. Now that's going to put 100 numerical objects in that variable sheep. So let me show you. So you can see I have 100 sheep here. So now we need to get them counting is what we need to do. So what I'm going to do is pipeline that variable to the for each. I want it to for each one of those items, I want it to output the number, and then I want to say sheep afterwards, and I'm going to put these in double quotes so that the variable gets expressed. And as I've said before, this variable right here, the $_ means the currently pipelined item. And the best way to think about that is there's 100 items in here. This for each loops through each one of those items to do an evaluation on it. So in this case, in this case, my evaluation is to write whatever the current number is. So it's going to assign 1 to 100, and then it's going to say, okay, let's look at number 1, and then it's going to write number 1 and then the word sheep. And then it's going to go to 2, and it's going to say, okay, write 2 and go to sheep. So let's run that and see what happens. Boom. So here we go. We got 100 sheep. That was a little too quick for me to count. I'm not, I don't have a 64-bit processor running up here. So let's use the good old sleep command, and we'll have it wait 2 seconds in between loops. So let's run that again. Look at that. PowerShell's counting sheep for us. 4 sheep, 5 sheep, 6 sheep. Yeah, it's working out pretty well, isn't it? It's a beautiful thing. 12, 13. Gosh, I'm feeling still a little tired. 14, 15, 16, 17,